This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Hey, gardening fantastics. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for all of the support, the comments, the thumbs up. And if you shared any of my videos, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Always, always. And also I want to mention, don't forget to use the thumbs up button. It is the first sign of true support. Don't forget that. First thing I do when I go to another channel is hit the thumbs up button. Who don't know that? Why wouldn't you want to do that? First thing, hit the thumbs up button. Well, you know if you're going to be truly enjoying that video. Not to say that if you go somewhere and you don't know anything about that channel, sure, check it out first. But afterwards, if you know in the future, from there on out, please hit that thumbs up button. Sure, true sign of great support, that thumbs up button. It means a lot. Okay, but as you guys can see, I can get my hand right, and hopefully I got the volume up on this. This is another update about my newly planted flower and herb seeds. And I discovered my chives, they don't like that direct light. I moved them to a more shaded area and they perked up. So that's what I'll know. Don't put my chives in a direct sun. They don't like, they had even started getting a little burnt on the edge, drying out. So as a new gardeners, whatever, no, I'm not an expert, but I do pay attention to the signs of how the plants react when they are and how they react if you put them in the sun, how they react if you give them too much water, how they react if you don't feed them, how they react to temperature. So I guess it, a lot of plants high maintenance. They just like humans. You got to take care of them and, give them their needs. A lot of plants got disabilities too. Oh my God. So I've discovered my little old chives got a sun disability. It don't like that sun. So I had to move it to the shade. Yes, I gave it a treatment, a fast treatment, and it revived itself. And now it's doing okay. Hopefully it gets bigger. I see a new chive sprouted when I did that too. And back there, let me see if I can get the camera on it. This, I guess, if you look to your, well, it's my left, with a whole bunch of seedlings, is the oregano. I love it. I just hope it gets bigger so I can repot it, and I have a lot of oregano. Now, oregano grew fantastic for me. I love oregano. And that one to my right, that's the I think that's a I'm speaking plant language, y'all. I can say Xena. There go the Xenas. They are reaching lengthy, trying to get to the sun. And also my there go my little tomato seeds. What's the channel name? I think her name is Afraid of Plants. I am tearing up her name, but you said that you see my tomato seeds sprouted. No, I just put them in there. you're looking at some of my herbs and flower seeds. And you should know, because you're the plant lady, the tomato seeds have not germinated at all yet. I just put them in there, hopefully soon. But right here to my right in the video is the parsley, and it's growing leggy and reaching for the sunlight too. So I wouldn't too much want to put them in full sun, but well, the flower seeds, okay, they want some sun, but my parsley is reaching for some more light. So it got a need too. It got a disability too, y'all. I'll handle you, parsley. Don't you let me down. You continue to grow. But I don't know. I got to think. Well, this potting soil I'm using is Miracle Grow, and it has all the nutrients and vitamins it's saying there for plants and herbs and you know, vegetables and all that. So hopefully I just need to, you know, put them in a bigger container. But right now, I think they need to get a little root. They need their stems to get a little stronger. Like the up in the back with the leggy, that's the Xena leggy. And it's going toward, you know, it won't be in that sun. So I'm thinking it's about to rain out here in Southern California. They say Monday. Some of my plants out there on my balcony. Yes, I'm a balcony garden. Hope that don't offend some of you gardeners that have big backyards and front yards, patios and all that old stuff, and farms. Let me see, farms and homesteads. Hope you guys don't let me see, reject me because I'm a balcony gardener. I'll just laugh because that tickled me. Don't y'all be rejecting me, because this is a newly created gardening channel. Don't you big time, lots of room to grow and do in your garden. Don't y'all be rejecting my little small area that I have to use to, you know, garden. And I love it. I love that, because, you know, guys, some people don't even have a balcony or a patio. They have to do it in their house. So, and they can get creative with space. Thanks, Susai, because you did mention that. You get creative with space when you in small areas, because you have a passion and a joy for doing this type of stuff. Gardening, you want plants. You want them around you. So, hey. So don't y'all be rejecting the small space gardeners. Support us fully like you do folks with a lot of room to do stuff in. And I just want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you for supporting me. And remember, y'all, hit that thumbs up. Y'all like gardening, hit that thumbs up video. And I'm doing all I do is thumbs up on all the channels that, you know, this interests me, and I hope to be interesting to y'all, because I'm doing y'all the same thing y'all doing. Y'all interested in gardening, growing stuff. But anyway, back to the update about these plants. Yeah, my plants have disabilities. Yes, I'm about to make I'm about to do stuff for them so that they can be supported and everything, so they'll be happy in their little growing little world. And I'm gonna keep on sharing with y'all their progress. So, ooh, I keep putting my hand in the way. But anyway, let me get off here. I don't want to be too long. But anyway, thank y'all for watching, and thanks for all the support. And any of y'all consider subscribing to my channel, please do so. And let me know what you're doing on your channel. Thanks for your time and support.